Mr. Jingle. So today I'm going to make a walnut brownie in a mug. So let's begin. First, all we need is just one egg. Whisk it. So now we will put vanilla essence. This is half teaspoon. Now we will put powdered sugar. Make sure you have sieved it. And it's 4 tablespoons. Now we will put butter, or you can also put oil, 2 tablespoons. Now 2 tablespoons Maida or all-purpose flour. So now we will put cocoa powder, 3 tablespoons. Now we will put it in a mug. Now we will put walnut. Now we will put it in microwave for 2 minutes. As you can see, our walnut brownie is rised up. We need to let it cool down for 15 to 10 minutes at room temperature. And for checking its cooked, we can also put a toothpick. It's cooked. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Mr. Jingle. So today I'm going to make Oreo Mug Cake. First we will put 4 Oreos, 1/4 of milk, crush the Oreos, so now we will put sugar, 1 tablespoon. All-purpose flour Maida, also 1 tablespoon. And make sure that this should be sieved, because I have also sieved this sugar and the all-purpose flour Maida. Now vanilla essence, half teaspoon. Now cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon. Mix it very well, there should be no lumps. Now we will put baking powder, half teaspoon baking powder. By mistakenly said half teaspoon, it's 1/4 tablespoon. Now we will put it into a mug and we will microwave it for 3 minutes. Now we will put one Oreo on this top of it. But thrice or twice. Now we will put it in microwave for 3 minutes. Now as you can see, it's rising up very well, and now we will see. It's clear. Now let's just see. It's very soft also.